નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Today in standard 9th subject mathematics we are going to learn chapter 11 constructions. In exercise 11.1 question number 5, construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify the construction. Here the triangle we have to construct equilateral triangle, that means all the three sides equal and the side is given, that is triangle with the given measure of the given side. Justify the construction. So equilateral triangle, construct an equilateral triangle ABC, each of whose side equal to AB, BC and AC. So here the side AB is given, then we have to construct other two sides also of the same measure. So let us construct. So first of all, draw a ray AP. Draw a ray AP then taking A is a center, taking A as a center and the radius is equal to AB. Let AB is given here, AB of the measure. Here AB is given of this measure. So taking AB as a radius or OB is a radius, you can take any equal to AB is a radius and center A. Taking radius is equal to AB and center A, draw an arc which intersect the given arc AP at B. So here taking A as a center, we have drawn the arc which intersect the ray AP at B. Now taking B as a center and the same radius, draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at C. We can also draw this arc which will intersect here at A, because AB is equal to BA, but no need here. So now join AC and AB. Thus triangle ABC with the equal measures of equal, here the sides with the equal measures is constructed, that is an equilateral triangle. So let us write the steps of construction here. Steps of construction. Here first of all, AB is given of a particular measurement. Draw ray AP. Second thing, taking A as a center, taking A as a center and given radius, draw an arc. Draw an arc which intersect ray AP at B. Then taking B as a center, now take this point B as a center. After drawing this arc which intersect AP at B, taking B as a center, and same radius. Again draw an arc. Draw an arc which intersect here, draw an arc which intersect the previous arc. Which intersects the previous arc at C. Join AC and BC. Thus, triangle ABC of a triangle ABC is constructed. The required triangle ABC is constructed here. So how can you say it is equilateral triangle? So let us justify. Here the question is the triangle constructed, whether it is equilateral or not, how can we say? So here, what we have done, AB, we have drawn the arc with center A and with center B. We have drawn the arc with center A, that is this arc we have constructed, and also we have constructed with center B this arc. So here arc AB and arc AC are equal. Therefore, AB is same as AC. Also, arc BC with the same radius is constructed, and therefore BC is equal to AB, and therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, and thus the required triangle ABC is constructed. So here the triangle constructed is an equilateral triangle with equal measures of all the sides. Here we are going to talk about some constructions of triangles. Here we are going to construct triangles. Earlier we have seen the triangle with the measures of 3 sides, and also we have seen in lower class the triangles, construction of triangles with the measurement of angles, 2 angles and 1 included side, or 2 sides and included angle, or measurement of 3 sides. But here we are going to construct a triangle where the base is given, one of the base angle is given, one side and one angle at one of its end, and the sum of the measures of the other 2 sides given. So here the base BC equal to 5 centimeter and base angle B equal to 60 degree given, and the sum of the remaining other 2 sides AB plus BC is 9 centimeter of the remaining 2 sides other than BC. Therefore, here from this given condition we have to construct a triangle. So first of all, what shall we do? We have to draw a base BC is equal to 5 centimeters. So let us draw here the base BC of 5 centimeters. Here there is a base BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Now taking B as a center, we have to draw the angle 60 degree. So you know how to construct an angle 60 degree. Taking B as a center, we have to draw an arc. Now taking this point as a center and draw the arc, you know how to construct 60 degree angle. So here we get a ray BX. So draw a ray BX or angle XBC is equal to 60 degree, because we don't know where is the point A. Now this is XBC 60 degree. Suppose this point is X. So ray BX, here this measures 60 degree. Now we have to get the point A on ray BX, that is equal to AB plus AC, and that is equal to 9 centimeter. So that is equal to 9 centimeter. So taking this point as a center and the radius equal to (9 centimeter), draw arc. So here we get point A. So this is point A. Join AC. Join AC. Now draw a perpendicular bisector. Draw a perpendicular bisector of AC which intersect BA at point, we say D. Here we have to construct, let BD is equal to, here we have constructed AB plus AC is equal to 9 centimeter, that is equal to BD. So this AB plus AC is equal to BD. Now join CD. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of CD which intersect BD at A. So how we will see, but here let us construct perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector, for that you must know how to construct perpendicular bisector. That is, you have to get the radius more than half of CD and you have to draw the arcs in both the semiplanes. Now taking this point as a center, now this is, we can join this and we will get perpendicular bisector of CD. Which intersect BD at A. Join AC. Join AC. Thus the triangle ABC of the required measure is constructed. So here you can see the figure. In this we have constructed BD is equal to 9 centimeter. So here BA plus AD is equal to 9 centimeter, but we want BA plus AC equal to 9 centimeter. So what we have to do, BA plus AD is equal to BA plus AC, means AB, AD and AC must be equal. And so we have constructed perpendicular bisector of DC, so that you will get the point A, which is the point on the perpendicular bisector and also a point on this, and is equidistant from D and C, and therefore we get this is equal to this, and so BA plus AD is equal to BA plus AC, and thus BA plus AC equal to 9 centimeter, and BC we have constructed 5 centimeter, and angle B is 60 degree. Thus this triangle is constructed, triangle ABC. So let us write the steps of construction. What we have done. First of all, what we have to do? Here we have to draw BC is equal to, here given measurement 5 centimeter. Draw B is BC. Draw base BC is equal to 5 centimeter, and base angle here the at point B, at point B, here we have to make an angle, here XBC is equal to 60 degree. So here XBC is equal to 60 degree is constructed. Then second point, here after this now we have to join take BD, now take point D, or cut line segment BD, cut line segment BD is equal to 9 centimeter, or taking B as a center and radius equal to 9 centimeter, draw an arc which intersect BX at D. So cut line segment BD is equal to 9 centimeter on ray BX. On this ray BX we have to get this point, so you will get BD is equal to 9 centimeter, and join BC, DC, join DC, that is join DC. Now draw perpendicular bisector, draw perpendicular bisector of length segment DC, of length segment DC, of length segment DC, which intersects BD at A. Join AC. Thus triangle ABC of required measures is constructed. Let us justify that the triangle constructed is of the given measures. Justification. So what we have done here, first of all, BC, an angle ABC of the given measures constructed, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree, constructed by construction. Is it clear? This is by construction. Now we have to show that AB plus AC is equal to 9 centimeter. As BD is equal to AB plus AD, and that is equal to 9 centimeter. We have to prove that AB plus AC also equal to 9 centimeter, and perpendicular bisector of CD and perpendicular bisector of CD intersect BD at A. Therefore, here what we got? Therefore, AC is equal to AD. Therefore, AC is equal to AD. Perpendicular bisector of CD intersect this at A. Therefore, AC is equal to AD. Reason? Equidistant. Each and every point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the end points of the line segment. So, your line segment is CD. So, A is equidistant from C and D, and therefore AC is equal to AD. And thus, therefore, here we get, therefore, BD that is equal to, therefore, AB plus AD, but AD is equal to AC. AC is equal to 9 centimeter. Thus, triangle ABC of required measures is constructed. So here triangle with angle B 60 degree, BC equal to 5 centimeter, and AB plus AD, that is AB plus AC, is equal to 9 centimeter is constructed. Thank you for joining us.